Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of CAD software and trying to decide between Fusion 360 and Inventor in 2025, you're in the right place. Both tools are from Autodesk, but they serve different needs, so let's break it down step by step to help you choose the best one for your projects. First up, Fusion 360. This cloud-based platform is a favorite for beginners and hobbyists because of its intuitive interface and seamless collaboration features. In 2025, expect even more AI enhancements, like automated design suggestions and improved simulation tools, making it perfect for rapid prototyping and small teams. It's versatile, integrating CAD, CAM, and CAE all in one spot. Now, let's talk about Inventor. This is the go-to for professional engineers tackling complex mechanical designs. With its powerful parametric modeling and advanced simulation capabilities, Inventor excels in creating detailed assemblies for manufacturing. By 2025, it's likely to feature better interoperability with other Autodesk software, streamlining workflows for large-scale projects. When comparing the two, Fusion 360 stands out for its affordability and ease of use. It's free for hobbyists and starts at around $60 per month for full access. Inventor, however, is more robust but comes with a steeper learning curve and higher costs, often exceeding $250 per month. Fusion 360 is ideal if you're working on collaborative or educational projects, while Inventor shines in precision-driven industrial applications. One key difference is collaboration. Fusion 360's cloud features make teamwork a breeze, whereas Inventor's strength lies in its depth for mechanical engineering tasks. Of course, both have pros and cons. Fusion 360 might feel limited for very advanced needs, and Inventor can be overwhelming for newcomers. In conclusion, if you're a student, small business owner, or just starting out, go with Fusion 360 for its accessibility. For professional-grade work in manufacturing or engineering, Inventor's the winner. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Which one are you using? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching.